Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Display and Sounds so you can see scaling options. From the home screen, press Home, navigate to Settings, then select Display and Sounds. Make sure your Fire Stick and TV are on the input you'll use. This ensures changes apply live. If your TV supports HDMI CEC, enable it to allow the remote to control volume and power, but you can leave it off for manual control. Once done, move into Display so you can adjust screen size precisely. Now you change resolution and calibrate the safe area so content isn't cut off. First, choose Screen Resolution. Pick the highest your TV supports, lower if performance issues occur. Next, open Calibrate Display and use the remote's navigation to shrink or expand the active picture area until the guide lines align with the screen edges. Make incremental moves and confirm each step, because small changes avoid overshoot. Finally, toggle Safe Area to verify heads-up text and app buttons are fully visible. Finish by saving your adjustments and letting the Fire Stick apply the new settings. You may be asked to keep or revert them, so choose Keep if all looks correct. If alignment or resolution issues persist, switch HDMI ports, swap the cable, or test another TV to isolate the problem. Make sure your TV's picture mode isn't zoom or wide. If nothing fixes it, perform backups and then a factory reset as a last resort, because that restores defaults and often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.